welcome back to the Jade Diary. So today it's with me, Jess and Nana again, and we're actually going to the VH Green Nature Park. So yeah, it's actually a small it's actually just a small farm with a few animals in it. Yeah, so hopefully Nana will enjoy it. Okay, she's very excited. Are you excited? Where are we going?
Zoo.
To the zoo. It's actually a small farm. Then she can see a lot of animals there.
Something is hand fun.
Yeah, and maybe there's going to be a playground. I'm not sure, but yeah. So we'll see later. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So first of all, we're gonna get something first.
Okay.
I think we're going to go McDonald's to have our breakfast.
We're going to McDonald's for breakfast.
Yes, for breakfast. At Matang area. It's about half an hour to 45 minutes from Kuching. Yeah. The farm's open at 9 a.m. Currently it's 15 minutes past 8, so yeah, I think we still have time to get breakfast for a while, and then we'll be heading there. According to the weather forecast, today will be cloudy. Just hopefully that it won't be raining. Right, Nana?
Right.
Yeah. Okay, so yeah, we'll be going to get something to eat first now, and we'll see you guys later again. Okay? Bye! Okay guys, so I've got some water here. This is the big bottle. I have a smaller bottle here. Nana's bottle is in her bag. And then over here we have a hat, Nana hat.
Wow.
Nana hat, and then also some clothes, change of clothes and towel and banana, and yeah.
Swimming pool.
And then Nana also have her own bag. Where's your bag? Can you show your bag? Yeah, that's her bag. So inside is a change of mask and also water bottle, right? Yeah. Okay, so let's go. Let's go.
Okay.
Thank you. So, excuse me. Okay, so from McDonald's, I got this sausage muffin Happy Meals. It comes with a sausage muffin and also a small drink. You can choose either coffee or tea, which is kind of weird for children because it's a Happy Meal. And then I got myself a crispy chicken muffin with egg, just the muffin. So yeah, I thought it will come with a hash brown here, but unfortunately, nope, no hash brown here. So this is the parking lot, and now we are heading to the counter. Yep. Hi guys, so we have reached the VH Green Nature Park. And yeah, we bought the ticket online already, so we just need to go to the counter and show the QR code, and then they will give us this sticker, entrance ticket. And I bought the Explorer package, so we got this booths for the animals as well. Are you excited? Yeah? Come. This one, the sticker, you need to stick it. Yep, me also. Yeah. Ta-da! Yay! Okay, now we can go in. Okay? You wanna go in already? Okay, let's go. As As we enter, to the right side there's a big pond and it has koi fish in it, and we can feed the fishes there. Here we have a tree house in swing, and then this is basically the lobby or the main entrance to the park. I think this is where they have a bird show, but yeah, unfortunately today they don't have a bird show. They also have a tree house here, children can play. Look what I found on the main entrance. So there's some rabbits here, and we can feed the rabbits with the carrot that we bought from the package. And then there's also guinea pigs, and yeah, you can also feed them with carrots. There are two hedgehogs hiding in the stone. Just to the other side of the tree house, you can actually find a few tortoises and turtles as well. And there are two aquariums for a very huge fish. And for the fish inside this blue bucket, I'm not really sure what it is. If you know, let me know in the comment section below. So this is where the adventure begins, and this is actually where we will start our journey. Look at all the birds they have here. Aren't they all beautiful? As soon as we enter, the first thing on the left is the aviary section, so we're going inside. We are at the aviary section, so look, this parrot welcome us. Hi! Hello! The bird, so beautiful. Now look at the bird, it's rainbow color. Here, Nana. There. Nana, there. Can you see? I don't think so, but it's inside the cage. Big turtle. I thought it was a stone, but it turns out to be turtles. See, it's a turtle. Yeah, that's not stone, Nana. It's a turtle back. Yeah. As soon as we come up from the aviary section, we can see this huge land where they used to plant different kinds of fruits and vegetables. And when we go further down, we can see this area where they plant different kinds of herbs. Chinese ringneck. Polish. Yeah. Oh, it's a porcupine there. Sleeping. They all sleep. Porcupine house. Oh, porcupine can eat carrot. Carrot. Porcupine eat carrot. Cannot see what? You wanna eat? You wanna feed? No, he won't eat hand. Okay, Libby. Go, Libby. Okay, let's go. Go, nearer, Nana. No, he won't eat your hand. Nearer a bit, nearer a bit. Your hand, just nearer a bit. Okay, you see what this? It's a binturong. His name is Ben. There, he's sleeping there. Can you see? Yeah. This side. Can you see? He's sleeping there. Binturong eat fruits. Okay, come now. This side. Oh, there's chicken. Chicken. There's also chicken. Oh, that's cat. Two cats. Oh, the cat's so pretty. Binturong eat fruits. Monkey. Careful, monkeys can bite, Monkeys. Cannot feed the monkeys because the monkey can bite, okay? Okay, come, let's go.